What is up, YouTube? This is Mayan Sharma from Virtual Fielding, and I hope that you enjoyed the weekend with your family. You spend time with your loved ones. Now it is the time to get back to the hustle, to get right to the grind, and we will see what we discussed on Friday, what actually happened, what is the view for tomorrow and for upcoming days, right? So, without any further ado, let's get started. So when I hide something, let's see what we discuss for Friday. Remember, markets to all-time high. Will markets crash on Friday? 1500 versus 16700. 15900 versus 16700. Big move. This was told to you one day in advance. Yes. What is the high it made? 15755. It exceeded our target more than 50 points. And unfortunately, due to some private commitments, none of us mentors were available in markets, but we were guiding you everywhere through this. We were guiding you, right? And if we see, this was what the levels were given to you. Do you see how precise the levels are working, right? This is why I tell you people never to miss any YouTube video, right? And at 317 I told you to book your major positions on the long side, exiting major position. This is the same. We had caught Nifty at 15,200 and we exited at somewhere around 16,700. That is 1500 points per lot. That is easily 75,000 earned per lot. If you would have hedged your position for margin benefits, you can get Nifty future one at 40-45k depending on the day and the premium it is having. So with only 45k you would have made approximately 75k, or even if you go less then 65 to 70k. Okay, and due to some reason I was not able to be here, and I will try to make Monday video for all of you. And really, so many people texted us that if they missed our live market fair and everything, like I'm really overwhelmed. Thank you all. We couldn't have done this without your support. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right, and we also had a free webinar conducted at 6 p.m. today. Okay, so now, even in our absence, let's see how our mentees manage the day. Right? Even in our absence, let's see how our mentees manage the day. These are our beast mentees, right? They took trade worth 1 is to 22 hours. Can you see here? Right, 1 is to 22 hours. This is the setup. Obviously, setup I cannot share, but this is the 1 is to 22 hour trade taken by our mentees, not us, but our mentees, right? And have a look here. 1 is to 50. Crazy day. When it is your day, you have to milk the markets as much as you can. 1 is to 22 hour plus 1 is to 50 hour. That is 1 is to 72 hour in a day. If you would have risked only 1% of your account, you could have made approximately 72%, 70 to 72% of your account size. Right? This is what the risk reward ratio is all about. And as I told you, risk reward ratio is the only holy grail in the markets. So this is how our mentees traded for the day, even in our absence. And many of you people were asking us for part payment without credit card, that most of you don't have credit cards. Not an issue. We are ready to accept that too. We are ready to take that risk too for you, so that you people can learn and earn, like, so that you people can get top notch mentoring that you so desperately need. So this is how our EMI options available on all our courses. You can make this part payment without any credit card, right? For the joining, do DMS, or you can directly go through our application. The link is in the description, and you can check out these installment methods, right? You can check out these installment methods, and if you have credit card, then you can get zero interest. You can get zero cost EMIs also. So this is all about it. And I told you to book your major position that at 317. When markets are at 317, 315 or somewhere around there, right, till the day end, I was able to tell you to not carry forward any longs. And if you see what happened that day itself, right? If you see what happened that night, Nifty overnight futures, these are Nifty overnight futures, fell from 16,750 to 16,612. That is a 100 point drawdown. So that is why I try to guide you, because this is the maximum I am expecting markets to go. Maximum 50, 60 points or 100 points above this, but this is approximately the top as for me for now, right? And I'll tell you my time analysis even in this, what my time theory says, and what my view is, I will give you in this video itself. Kindly wait for a moment, we'll see about that, okay? This is why I made you exit, because I didn't want you people to take any unnecessary risk. So now whatever happens will happen. No freaks given. Enjoy, cheers, and we are always with you even when we are not in the market. We are always here to guide you, to save you, even if we are not available in the market. Always with you, even in absence, right? And this is very truly said by our Aditya sir, that trading is not for the weak. This is a very brutal endeavor. That is true. People tell you that trading is very easy, trading like simple money, easy money, but no, trading is the hardest method. I'm not discouraging you, I'm just letting you know the truth of it, right? Trading is the hardest. Trading is the hardest way to make easy money as per people. And respect to everyone who is grinding each day toward or continue to be consistently profitable trader. Like hats off. Even if you're not consistently profitable, but you get back to market every single day, you are learning from anywhere. I don't care. You are learning, you are trying to make good money, you are hustling. You deserve our respect. You have my respect. Okay. This is the free webinar we were able to take today by Hidat sir, a very a beginner curated for especially beginners who know nothing about market. And this is the royal sessions. On weekends we take a bunch of royal sessions, royal one-on-one sessions. So this is the session taken by our Aditya sir. This is the review he had. Hey bro Aditya, thank you so much for a valuable session. I'm amazed by being introduced to a very new methodology into trading journey to ease my charting or trading understanding. Right, to ease my charting and my trading understanding. I feel so much better after knowing being taught by a mentor who has nice balance between just teaching and teaching with all the what is it? Simplest method of highly advanced trading method. Highly excited for the new session. That is what I tell you. Don't box yourself into little boxes like SMC workout. What did I write? In Royal we don't teach fully SMC. We don't even teach fully workout. Neither any conventional method of trading, right? Royal clients directly learn about what moves the market, how markets actually move. The algorithm itself. They learn the algorithm itself to decipher what market is going to do next, how it will move, why it will move, when it will move. It's taught to Royal mentees, and that is why royals are royals for a reason, right? And you need to take highest risk. Royals current learning about advanced market algorithm to take highest risk reward trades plus highest accuracy. Royals for a reason. This is one of the session that I took for the day. Had my second session with mine. First of all, I salute his dedication. We started session at 11:30 and ended at 2:30. First 1 hour plus was just spent on reviewing the things which I had applied after the learning from the first session. He patiently helped me identify my mistakes on the charts of my choice. That is the process, bro. And you are royal for a reason. And it is my, it's my fortune that I am able to guide you. That it is my responsibility to guide you to the path of profitability and consistency. After that, the concept that I learning in the second session was something which made me feel that the money that I spend in the Royal is the best investment that I have ever made. Taught him about the market algorithm and why price moves, how it will move, what it will do next, and given him an eye to see the predict the future like we do on YouTube every day. He asked me how I see the chart first, and then based upon that the meeting started teaching me his concepts. And after teaching one concept, we went back to the chart where I told him I did that and why I did that. There he told me the logic. That is very true. If you don't know the logic behind anything, you won't be able to learn it. I don't make you, we at Royal we don't teach you to remember things. I tell you why and how price is printing those things so that you know what price will do next time, right? Um, Best part about the session was that Mayank didn't impose his assumption on me. Rather, he helped me to identify what I naturally see in the charts and what part of that is basically relevant to the virtuous style. This was a moment of enlightenment for me because I was not forcing assumption on my natural style of trading. That is why I tell you, no assumption, no wipe off, no conventional method of learning. Just market algorithm, pure and perfect algorithm. Because I was not forcing assumption on natural style, but improving my understanding of my current way of trading and where his concepts fit in the place. So these are the sessions that we took today. And if you have not already downloaded our application, can download our application. And we are planning to provide a lot of free stuff on that too. But it will take a little while as we already have our hands full. But we are going to provide you. That is our word. You can find this application, and sometimes I'm not able to give replies to every mentorship query. So in such case, you can either text the Modi Trader sir, the link is given here, or you can download our application and chat on us directly via that, so that our back office team will handle you. Okay. And again, the same courses you can available EMI options without even credit card. We are taking this so that you don't have to. And this will share a post about how one of our absolute beast of a mentee made a huge 50% net profit. Yes, he made 50% net profit on his initial capital in less than 30 days. He increased his capital by more than 50% in less than 30 days. If he can do that, I don't know why you can't, right? What are you still thinking about? If you want to make such gains, hop in less than a month by just using our option buying scalping techniques. He doesn't even trade regularly but made 50% humongous ROI on starting capital with less than 30 days. This account he started with approximately 50k, 49k somewhere. He gross profit is 31k approximately, and charges were somewhere around 5k, and net profit is 26k approximately. So more than 50% ROI on a capital of 50k. He made more than 25,000 starting on a capital from 50,000 in less than 30 days, in less than a month. And you can just check this post via this link, so you can see that in HD, right? And we also had a webinar for our free Telegram community taken by Hitasa. So after that, let's come to this. Okay, now let's see. Now for tomorrow. Now for tomorrow, 16831 is the damn important algorithmic level. If markets, if markets, I somewhat want markets to open approximately near these areas. If markets are opening approximately near these areas and we can see a sell-off, then I will tell you the target for this is going to be pretty huge. Do you remember the day of 16 June? 16 June, the day we were able, the day I taught you that market will drop down full day. Where is 16 June? Where is 16 June? You remember this day where we gave you put from 8 rupees and it went to made a high of 308 rupees, right? I am expecting such kind of day, a very big red day, if markets are opening somewhere around 16831. 16831 and we see some signs of weakness, then we can create a short position and our targets will be approximately 16672, 16583, and we can even see 16500 on the same day itself. If markets open somewhere along there of 16831, we need a good gap up for this to happen, right? If markets are sustaining above the level of 16831, what do you mean sustaining? I mean that markets are not able to regain the lower levels. Markets are not able to reclaim the lower levels. Then we can see the targets of even 16937. But this is very far fetched for me. This is very far fetched for me. So below the level of 16,672, we can see the targets of 16,583, 16,507, 16,442, and we may even see 16,332. Right? If markets sustain below here, if markets sustain here after, if markets are able to sustain below the level of 16,583 after 11.21 a.m. Right? Note this timing also after 11.21 a.m. Then we can expect the markets to reach 16,332 and even lower. But remember the timing 11:21 a.m. right? 11:21 a.m. So this is the view for Nifty. This is the view for Nifty. If markets are sustained below these levels, then we can expect volatility. Option sellers can make good use of this volatility. This won't be a day for option buyers if we become volatile. If we become volatile, right? And tomorrow is kind of a very important day. It will clear our perspective of the market, right? And in on Telegram, after doing time analysis, I will give you the date where I'm expecting markets to be heavily bearish from. Okay, so don't worry about it. Kindly note these levels now. Once again, I'll repeat: if markets open near 16,831 and start sell off from there, we can see pretty huge targets. Our target will be 16,672, 16,583, 16,507, and 16,642, and we can even see 16,332. If market sustain below the level of 16,672, we can see the targets of 16,583, 16,507, and even 16,332.55. So kindly note these levels on your terminal. Kindly mark these levels. These are not support, resistance, etc. These are our algorithmic levels, and you know how our algorithmic levels work. You have been with us for a very long time, right? So now let's have a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty achieved our targets. Right? Bank Nifty achieved our targets now. For Bank Nifty, very damn important levels. For Bank Nifty, very damn important level is going to be the level of 36,846. 36,846. If market sustain above this level, we can see the targets of 36,967 and even 37,128, right? But this is very far-fetched for me. If markets sustain below this level, if markets are not able to reclaim higher levels, then we may see the targets of 16,553, sorry, 36,553, 36,312, and 36,036, and we may also see 35,650. And if we see this, then we will come down crashing. Like if we see this, then we will nullify these highs pretty quickly. We can nullify this move pretty quickly, right? So kindly once again note the levels in bank nifty. For bank nifty, the important level is the level of 36,846. If market is sustaining of that level, we can see the target of 36,967, 37,128. This is the highest target that I'm expecting for bank nifty on the higher side. And for lower side, I'm expecting a target of 36,553. Market is sustaining below this level. Then we can see the target of 36,553, 36,312, 36,036, and we may also see 35,651. This is the view for bank nifty, right? So if you want to learn how to trade like us, and if you want to trade live with us, then we do have mentorship programs. We also have started royal batches. The fees for that is pretty negligible in comparison to royal 101, and that only the difference will be that the it will be in batches and not one on one. Everything rest is same. So if you want to learn our royal concepts, then you can use this opportunity, and you can still pay in such part payments, right? You can also make such part payments in without even a credit card, and we also have successfully completed two royal batches. And if you see royal batch 1, royal batch 2, and if you want to trade live with us, then we do provide mentorship programs. Consider learning, and we'll see you inside the community. We'll get you started. Also, all our important links are given in the description. This is our free telegram community where we try guiding you people and try to keep you on the rights of the markets and try to give you such updates. Where this is the community where we share our zero heroes, which have historically given more than 500 to 1000% return on expiry days. So consider joining. If you like our efforts, kindly leave a like.